Siguro. Mas okay dito. Come on. Stay here. They have bread.
Yes, we have special bread. We have pandesal.
Kuya, walk slowly, darling.
Ay, meron tayong enoki. Masarap.
Hala, ang cute naman ng pony nila. Do you wanna ride the pony, Bunny? And take photo?
I'm scared.
It's a small one. Don't be scared.
No,
Ano?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'm a little bit dizzy. I need to... Where's Dad? Let's wait for Daddy. Come on, take. You should bring your camera, Bunny. Tingnan natin yung isa.
So pala nagdadala tayo ng ano, Ursiflora.
How was it? Sakay.
Masakyan, nawala. Medyo nawala.
Baka you need lang to rest. Come on, let's check here. No, let's check here.
Guys, let's go.
Dito muna, kuya, so you could relax. Ito, oh. Look at the pony. It's so little. It's so cute. MJ. Pwede ka mag-ride sa pony.
Nag-video doon ako, ma.
Ha? Nag-video ka din? How come? Oh, this is a
Let's go here.
love is patient and love is kind. That's true. If you love somebody, you have to be patient with that person. O, dito na lang tayo. Okay, let's find something to... Oh my God, this is so cute. This is so adorable. Hi. Yeah, come on, find a place there. Ah, dito ka na lang muna kasi masakit yung tummy mo.